Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to change your Temu account's password using the Temu mobile application. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. To change your password on Temu, open up your Temu application from your app drawer. Also make sure that you are logged into your Temu account. And after you are logged in, from the main homepage, tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen. Once you open up the U option, go to the upper right hand corner and tap on the gear button. Now, from the settings menu, tap on account security at the top left and click on the edit button right next to password option on the third row. Now, enter your old password in the first text box and then enter the new password you are trying to change to on the next field. Finally, after choosing a strong password, tap submit. And you will then be able to change your Temu account's password. Next time you log into your account, make sure to enter the newly updated password. So that's how you can easily change your password on Temu application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.